You're listening to Radio Azad, and this is your host, Aisha. I am so happy today because after a very long time, I have a very, very competent doctor and a very dear friend. Dr. Sabah Shabnam is in the studio with me today. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, Aisha. Thank you so much for inviting me to Radio Azad and give me an opportunity to talk to your listeners.
Well, thank you for taking the time out to being with us today. Dr. Sabah Shabnam is a board certified family medicine physician. She specializes in chronic conditions, जैसे कि diabetes and hypertension. She works with anti-aging. She also has a full array of aesthetic services as well, and specializes in weight loss, the topic that everybody is struggling with, dealing with, talking about, and trying to do. So, a little bit about yourself that you'd like to add, Sabah?
Well, reversing diabetes and treating obesity has been my passion from day one when I was in my residency. I used to look into the options, how we can help patients, control their diabetes, number one, how to help them lose weight and how for them to be more healthier and prevent the cardiovascular disease. So that has been on the top of my mind, and I have been doing weight loss along with everything else that we do.
Okay.
Helping patients lose weight for a very long time. I've been in practice in Dallas Metroplex area for about 15, 16 years. And that has been always the top of, the discussion. If I see anybody who's overweight or obese, then I always suggest them that weight loss is going to improve their diabetes and high blood pressure and will prevent them from having cardiovascular disease. So
And that's why it's so very important, right?
It's very important.
Yeah. But why is it so difficult?
Weight loss is difficult and it is easy too. Okay. It's both ways. It depends how you look at it. If we don't consider weight loss as like per se weight loss, but we consider it as a lifestyle change, like, okay, I'm going to avoid any habits that is causing weight gain, and I'm going to adapt habits that help me lose weight or maintain my weight, then it makes it easy. And if you think it's very difficult, then of course it will be as difficult as you can. So weight loss is difficult when you are aging, when you have reached a certain age. In men and women both, you can, the metabolism slows down. Metabolism slows down with aging. और आपका जो muscle mass होता है, the muscle mass becomes less in women and men both with age because of hormonal decline, because of all the reserves in your body that are probably getting low, as well as the fat gain becomes more. So your muscle converts into fat with aging, with hormonal changes, with the poor lifestyle or poor habits. So this is normal, right? And the culture that we live in right now, in an American culture, we are bombarded or surrounded by all kind of unhealthy foods option. Fast food, alcohol for the people who drink alcohol, fatty foods, sweets, sugars, carbs, fried foods, even our desi food. I mean, we should not think that desi food is the healthiest. It's not. Actually, it's pretty complicated because we have everything in our food, carbs, fat, proteins, everything. So basically, all of the habits and everything make sure muscle mass less and fat loss more, fat mass more. So when you have more fat and less muscle, you burn less calories. When you burn less calories, it makes you gain weight. Because now, आप क्या हो रहा है, आप खा ज़्यादा रहे होते हैं, you're consuming more calories, but you're burning less. Because another thing, a dilemma in our country here, overall, yes, but in United States, we don't burn enough calories.
Exercise
is not a cup of tea for everyone. Yes, we say exercise, but in Desi population, what I see is that we did not see our parents exercising. We did not, exercise is not a part of our schedule in a daily life. But back home, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, everywhere, we used to walk a lot. We did not have so much transportation
Yeah.
choices.
बिल्कुल.
Now हम लोग गाड़ी में बैठते हैं और हर जगह जाते हैं. We don't walk. Even for small distances, we try to take the car. So we are not burning enough calories, and that's the basic thing. And
ठीक है.
यहाँ पर elevators हैं, या फिर हम जो है वो ज़्यादा सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ते, parking lot में ज़्यादा walk नहीं करते, धूप इतनी होती है. We don't want to walk in the heat. So there are a lot of lifestyle changes that make us prone to gain weight and have a slow metabolism.
I see. Okay. So when do you go towards having these injectables, these medications for weight loss purposes, and what are the different types?
So let me tell you a little background. Like I said, every patient that walks in my clinic gets a little bit of information or a lecture, what you want to call it, about their weight. If they are overweight,
Okay.
or if they are underweight, I do look at the weight for every single patient, especially if they have high blood pressure or diabetes and everything. So weight loss is not something that is optional. I would say it should be on our mind and a part of the lifestyle for everyone, right? If you let yourself gain like 20, 30, 40 pounds, then you are inviting all those chronic illnesses. Diabetes hai, high blood pressure hai, high cholesterol hai. Aapki family में भी run करता होगा. Especially patients from Southeast Asia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, where cholesterol is high.
Yeah.
Fatty liver, genetics, fatty liver is very common. Diabetes is a given if you gain weight. अगर आपने 10 से 15 pound भी वजन gain किया है, then you become pre-diabetic. If you're not diabetic, you're pre-diabetic.
Pre-diabetic.
So this is something that I always educate, that stay within a normal fat percentage range. अब पहले एक होता था ना BMI, हम हर चीज BMI.
Yeah.
BMI is a basic metabolic index. So body mass index. So BMI is now obsolete, because you can be in a normal BMI कि आपका इतनी height पे इतना weight होना चाहिए. That's normal. But आपकी fat percentage जो है वो ज़्यादा है, because at that age आपकी फैट परसेंटेज ज़्यादा है, मसल मास कम है. मसल कैसे बनता है? मसल बनता है एक्सरसाइज से, प्रोटीन से, एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ हेल्दी हार्मोन रेंज. और फैट कैसे बनता है? पुअर डाइट, लैक ऑफ स्लीप, not burning enough calories. So basically, agar anybody who's overweight and who's obese, and there are different classes of obesity, 3 classes, 4 classes, and then it becomes morbidly obese. So everybody who's my patient, they get a little bit of information about that, and I give them, the little bit of information. This is what you need to do. हम डायबिटीज भी कंट्रोल करेंगे, हम ब्लड प्रेशर भी कंट्रोल करेंगे, हम कार्डियोवास्कुलर और फिर हार्ट डिजीज को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए. तो आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज अ कैंडिडेट whoever is overweight.
Overweight. And how much overweight do you have to be?
So the fat percentage in men, usually in patients who are normal activities, इनकी normal physical activity है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा athletic है ना sedentary है, up to 19%, I think 13 to 19% men में is considered a good fat percentage. In women, up to 27%, 23 to 27% is considered a normal, good fat percentage with least consequences. So basically, anybody who has more than that should consider getting into a good fat percentage in their body. तो जब आपका fat percentage कम होगा, water percentage ज़्यादा होगा और muscle mass ज़्यादा होगा, you're already in a healthy, very healthy body composition.
I see. For people who, find it hard to grasp that, they're just thinking, "Acha, I need to lose 10 pounds or I need to lose 30 pounds." What is that? Do you look at that as an indicator as well? Ki, "Acha, these people are good candidates for the weight loss medication."
तो मेरे जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं जो इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं वेट लॉस में, मैंने अपने ऑफिस में मशीन रखी हुई है. इट्स लाइक अ बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन एनालिसिस. तो दे गेट ऑन दैट मशीन. इट्स लाइक अ मैग्नेटिक, उसके अंदर जो है वो टेक्नोलॉजी है, एंड it gives you an idea how much fat, muscle, body, and the muscle mass you have and water you have. So anybody who talks about weight loss, I'm like, okay, let's see what your body composition percentage is. So when we sit down with them, now patients say, well, मुझे सिर्फ 10 pounds weight lose करना है. I said, absolutely, that's your goal. And I will help you reach your goal.
Okay.
But I would like to educate you and say कि आपका fat percentage कितना है. अगर 10 pounds lose करने के बाद आपकी fat percentage is through the roof, then it means that you may have a goal in your mind, but it may not be the optimal goal where you would be the healthiest. फिर हम blood test करा के देखते हैं, और फिर अगर आपका cholesterol बढ़ा हुआ है, आप pre-diabetic हैं, blood pressure आपका control में नहीं है, then I always educate them. I said, I will let you get to your goal. I will help you. But at the same time, I would educate you where you would be more healthier. So, that's
Right.
when I let them choose and then we let them reach their goal.
Okay, got it. So some patient comes to you. Um, and we've all heard these, medications being thrown out, Ozempic hai, Mounjaro hai, or Wegovy hai, right? So what are these? And if you can just explain them very simply for our
Simply.
listeners.
तो वेट लॉस के लिए जो है ट्रेडिशनली बहुत पुरानी दवाएं हैं. फेंट्रामीन लोगों ने सुना हुआ होगा, एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट दैट. उसके अलावा कुछ ओवर द काउंटर भी मेडिकेशंस आई थी. आई हैव यूज्ड फेंट्रामीन ऑल माय लाइफ विद माय पेशेंट्स, बट आई वाज जस्ट नॉट हैप्पी विद द रिजल्ट्स बिकॉज उसके साइड इफेक्ट बहुत हैं. अगर आपका किसी का हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है तो आप फेंट्रामीन यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप करेंगे तो आपको बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली ब्लड प्रेशर मॉनिटर करना पड़ता है. इसको EKG मॉनिटरिंग करना पड़ती है और आपको देखना पड़ता है कि कहीं आपको इरिथमिया ना कर दे, कोई और हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स ना हो जाए. तो इट इज़ स्केरी समटाइम्स. एंड समटाइम्स मुझे कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट के पास भेजना पड़ता था पेशेंट्स को, जो गो हैड गेट अ क्लियरेंस, आई कैन नॉट यूज़ दिस मेडिकेशन अनलेस यू गेट अ ओके फ्रॉम योर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट. तो उसके बाद इट्स बिन कुछ साल पहले, आई वुड से प्रॉब्ली लेस देन 10 years ago, इन लोगों ने GLP-1s के नाम से कुछ दवाएं आना शुरू हुई जो कि डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स के लिए प्रिस्क्राइब हुई थी. वो जब हमने यूज करना शुरू करी, वी सॉ द वेट लॉस एंड इट वाज जस्ट फॉर डायबिटिक पेशेंट. एट दैट टाइम इट वाज नॉट फॉर वेट लॉस. फिर दे केम आउट विद Saxenda. Saxenda was a daily injection. I think it's at least 6, 7, 8 years, maybe more. though Saxenda was introduced, I don't know exactly the year. लेकिन Saxenda जो था daily injection थे, just like other diabetic counterpart it has, but it had a lot of side effects. तो वो मैंने भी खुद भी use किया. And I will tell you that before I throw any medication to my patient, if I can take the medication, I take it and I see how it feels and what the side effects are. तो मैंने भी Saxenda use करी and then I did lose weight, but it has a lot of GI side effects, stomach burping and nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, heartburn. So very severe side effects थे. So after that evolution, they came out with Ozempic. And then उसके बाद जब Ozempic आई है, so it was few years back. And I started using Ozempic in my patients with diabetes and I saw weight loss. उस वक्त तक Ozempic had a side effect that can cause weight loss, but it was not quite indicated for weight loss, of course. It's still not. But तो जब Ozempic हमने use करनी शुरू हुई diabetic patients में, and I saw weight loss, I'm like, wait a minute, does it cause hypoglycemia? इससे blood sugar low होता है या नहीं होता? So I started using it myself, and I saw that it did not cause hypoglycemia.
Okay.
तो जो पेशेंट्स मल्टीपल मेडिकेशंस पे होते हैं, ओरल मेडिकेशंस, और उसके बाद वो इंजेक्टेबल यूज करते हैं, उनको हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया के सिम्टम्स हो रहे थे. So I did use it on some of my patients just to see if the insurance is covering it. और मेरे पास जो सैम्पल्स थे, मैंने अपने कुछ जो morbidly obese patients थे, उनको बहुत जल्दी ज़रूरत थी वेट लॉस की, मैंने उनको प्रिस्क्राइब करना शुरू किया. And I started seeing great improvement in that. So even before it was indicated for weight loss, I've used it in my patients.
So what typically do you see? Like how much weight loss in a week or in a month do you see?
So average, I see 5 to 10 pounds a month. With these medications, but I had patients who have lost 30 pounds in a month. I have patients who have lost 23 pounds in a month, and I have patients overall who have lost anywhere from 80 to 110 pounds, 120 pounds. So it's like a literally game changer. हम अपने भी website पे डालने वाले हैं pictures और Facebook पे. My patient who is just, I mean, in a perfect shape now, starting from 300 something pounds, and now she's like in her 120 pounds. So she has lost massive amount of weight loss, but उसका की होता है कि monitoring is very important. Ozempic के बाद they came with Mounjaro. That was again for diabetes.
And that is not a semaglutide.
So Wegovy or Ozempic, they are semaglutide.
ठीक है.
So semaglutide is a generic name,
ठीक है.
and their brand names are Wegovy and Ozempic. Ozempic is for diabetes, Wegovy is for weight loss. But they came out later with Wegovy because they had to. People were using Ozempic. लोग Ozempic लेना शुरू कर दी थी लोगों ने diabetes के लिए, actually as an excuse for weight loss, but वो फिर market से खत्म होना शुरू हो गई थी. There was a big shortage for diabetic medications, and that was not fair for diabetic patients. तो फिर उस वक्त जो है, और दूसरी फिर उसके बाद जो है, उन्होंने Mounjaro introduce करी, and Mounjaro is from a different pharmaceutical company, and that's a tirzepatide. Tirzepatide is a combination of 2 different molecules. लेकिन tirzepatide जब आई है, it caused much less side effects as compared to semaglutide.
Okay.
So much less side effects and actually 50% more weight loss. So that became very, very popular. तो जब Manjaro इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस कराई थी, I started using Manjaro for my patients who were not diabetic, and I saw massive weight loss.
Okay.
जाहिर है बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स ने यूज करी, and of course it came to the attention, it came into limelight. FDA ने फिर जो उनकी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स थे, उन्होंने डायबिटिक वर्जन के बजाय उन्होंने वेट लॉस वर्जन यूज किया. नाउ द वेट लॉस की जो 2 दवाएं इस वक्त इंजेक्टेबल्स अवेलेबल हैं that are very promising is semaglutide is the generic and the brand name is Wegovy, and tirzepatide is generic and brand name is Zepbound.
I see.
And very, very, very pleased with this, and they are the game changers.
Okay. How do these medications work? There are some medications which are they burn your fat, or they increase up they increase your metabolism. Some are appetite suppressant. So what exactly do these do?
So GLP-1s is a broader term for the semaglutide and tirzepatide. And actually tirzepatide is a combination, so it's a GLP and a GIP-1. So basically how they work is basically they slow the stomach emptying into the intestine. So जो receptors हैं आपके stomach पे, उसके जाके they bind over there and they slow the stomach emptying into the intestine. With that said, जब आपका transit जो होगा from stomach to intestine is slows down, that you feel full. आपने थोड़ा सा खाना खाया, you feel like you are full. So it is actually working as an appetite suppressant.
Okay.
It burns fat. And of course, when you lose weight, your metabolism gets better. Especially if you are taking some other vitamins, mineral supplement, exercising, sleeping well. Sleeping is very, very important for weight loss. So this is how it's suppressed. So it does not affect your heart.
Okay.
It does not have direct relationship to cardiovascular. It does not affect your brain. It does not affect your psychology. Depression, because phentermine, jo traditional weight loss medication, it used to cause depression and anxiety. And I was, very short tempering and everything. So it does not affect the neurological symptom, does not affect the psychiatric symptom, psychiatric system. And therefore, with slowing down your stomach emptying, it actually affects your GI symptoms. So it has side effects too.
Okay.
Especially if you don't follow the guidelines.
Yeah, we'll get into that.
Okay.
I want to remind our listeners that we are in conversation with Dr. Saba Shabnam. She is a family medicine doctor, and we are talking about weight loss, and specifically about the semaglutides and tirzepatides, these injectables which are being used for weight loss. Dr. Shabnam, tell us now a little bit about these side effects, because we've seen them all. ये Ozempic phase है, excuse me, या gastroparesis है. So what have your patients, or what have you observed in terms of what patients have experienced?
So side effects are real. And every medication has side effects. लेकिन side effects को treat करना भी एक art होता है. So, number one, जब patients use करते हैं weight loss drugs, they want to lose.
And how often do you
it's
get
a
these
weekly injection?
Okay,
these are weekly injections.
ठीक है.
So side effects are real, like I said. ज़्यादातर gastrointestinal side effects है, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea है, constipation, heartburn, abdominal pain. तो
इतना होता है कि patients can't leave the home?
Well, it can. अगर आप किसी भी दवा को गलत तरीके से यूज करेंगे या एक्सेसिवली यूज कर रहे हैं, एक तो ये ना कि इसकी 5-6 phases हैं इस वेट लॉस के.
अच्छा.
So you start with phase 1, then you gradually go into phase 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, but it has to be very strictly monitored by the doctors.
Okay.
अभी जो हो रहा है ना, इस वक्त दवाएं are not, the doctors are not only prescribing the brand name medications from the pharmacy because insurance coverage के मसले हैं. Doctors are compounding medications right and left, and there are so many compounding pharmacies that are manufacturing it all over the world, including, of course, US में. जो हमें पता है, उससे हो ये रहा है कि not all compounding pharmacies are the same. अगर आपको brand name नहीं मिल रही है generic के लिए, you have to go to a certain reputable and competent pharmacies.
Okay.
So जो वो sterile compounding है ना, क्योंकि आपको इंजेक्ट करना है अपनी बॉडी के अंदर, so that drug has to be extremely sterile. Number one, it has to go through a lot of testing, ताकि उसके अंदर कोई chemicals, कोई proteins, कोई ingredient ऐसा ना हो कि जो कि patient को side effects produce, जिसकी वजह से side effects हों. So not all compounding pharmacies are the same. Not all semaglutide and tirzepatide that is available in the market online, I see everywhere, weight loss online, they're selling it for very cheap. But this is what is happening. My first-hand experience. my nurse, मेरी जो nurse है उसका भाई जो है, he's like he got it, he did not know that the sister is actually working for a doctor who does weight loss, and he just went ahead and ordered it online. और उसने किसी डॉक्टर से या ऑनलाइन कहीं से semaglutide ऑर्डर करी. The first shot he had, within 15 minutes he had extremely a severe form of seizures,
Oh.
generalized tonic-clonic seizures. उसको seizure हुआ. He ended up in the hospital. Thanks God he's alive, otherwise he would have had severe neurological deficits. तो ये तो हमारी first hand information. तो क्योंकि if you're not using a good pharmacy, if you're not using a good compounding medication, जो over the जो आपको online और जो हर doctor prescribe कर रहा है, you should not go for that. You should only go for the doctors who are using the highest quality compounding. अगर आप generic use कर रहे हैं, या फिर just go for the brand name.
And do all, for example, internists, family medicine, all these doctors can prescribe?
Anybody can prescribe.
Anybody can
Anybody,
prescribe
any
it.
nurse practitioner, physician assistant, because it's not a controlled substance. इसकी कोई controlled
अच्छा.
regulation नहीं है ना.
Okay.
It's just another injectable that can be used for diabetes or for weight loss. So anybody can prescribe it. इसलिए people are taking advantage, and now we know that a lot of providers who are PAs or nurse practitioners with very short courses, with very limited education, they're coming in the market and they're actually treating patients. And that's where we are also seeing a lot of, this is a black market, just like a black market for anything, there's a black market for weight loss too. And I would call it a black market. When you are not properly trained and you are treating patients without monitoring. मैं अपने patients को every month देखती हूँ. I do not increase the dose. Unless I'm positive कि patient is doing well, is not having side effect. अगर side effect है, उसको treat करना ज़रूरी है. If you don't treat them, it will get worse. And yes, gastroparesis is possible. Gastroparesis हो जाती है जब आपका stomach and intestine बिल्कुल it come to a still and it does not have the motility and you get severe constipation. You do not, you are just not able to get relieved, and then you end up in the hospital. And sometimes in worse and worse cases, patients can go over surgery जिन्होंने जो है वो अगर medical treatment से सही नहीं हो रहा, then they have to go surgery and get to have the piece of their colon or whatever taken out.
Oh my goodness.
जी, it can go to that point.
ठीक है. Also about we've seen these वो जो Ozempic face होता है कि fat loss होता है, right? So what is there treatment for that?
So एक तो ये एक generic lay term आ गई ना, Ozempic face or what. The thing is this, agar somebody is having a massive weight loss, but you don't know what they're losing. If they're losing muscle or they're losing fat or they're losing water, so monitoring is important. If you're having a massive weight loss, but you're not coping up with it, तो आपका जो एकदम से, you will see a lot of sagging on your face.
Yeah.
You will see a lot of loose skin. You will see a lot of loose skin in the arms and in the extremities, in your stomach. Now, जो morbidly obese patients हैं जब वो जब weight lose करते हैं, they have sagging skin and they have to go for a what you call that, the body reconstruction, because they have to get that excess skin and everything. Face baby, you see that. And if you're losing a lot of muscle as well as fat, then if you have a lot of fat in your face, you can see the collagen loss. तो आपको ज़ाहिर है, you will see the sagging on the face, you will see wrinkles, you will see,
you start seeing people looking haggard. Yeah.
So you have to, like I said, you have to cope, you have to manage, and you have to get used to that phase. And it should not be that massive. It has to be slow as you are tolerating it. आपने बहुत high doses लगा ली, you will end up in the hospital, you're at home, you're not able to do anything. Yes, you will lose a lot of weight, but you will lose a lot of muscle. That's why that's very important कि आप देखें कितना muscle loss हो रहा है. अगर आप massive muscle loss हो रहा है, I stop the dose. I'm like, no, we need to, you to get used to this, because you're losing a lot of muscle. Little bit of muscle loss is normal. लेकिन आप अगर exercise करेंगे, you can gain it all back.
I see.
So you have to just, go with the treatment.
People think that you're taking these weight loss injections, and the weight is just going to start falling off. Do you still need to exercise? You still need a lifestyle change when you are on these injectables?
Absolutely. There is no alternative to lifestyle changes. And medications, I always tell patients, 25 to 30% काम जो है ना वो दवाओं का होता है. दवाओं का काम सिर्फ इतना होता है. बाकी जो 75% है ना, वो आपकी अपनी मेहनत है कि आप खा क्या रहे हैं. आपने सुबह से शाम तक, अगर आप, जब हम मॉनिटर करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं आप कितना कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहे हैं. अगर आप 1500 कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहे हैं और आपने 1700 कैलोरीज खा रहे हैं, then you will not lose weight. These medications fail.
Okay.
I have seen many patients who fail. Number one. Number two, अगर आप लार्ज मील्स खा रहे हैं तो आपको साइड इफेक्ट्स भी होंगे एंड एट वन पॉइंट आप शुरू में तो वेट लूज कर लेंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद यू विल कम टू अ स्टॉल एंड यू विल नॉट लूज एनी मोर वेट।
ओह,
तो आपकी बॉडी स्टारवेशन फेज में चली जाती है।
अच्छा।
आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंट्स सर हमें भूख नहीं लग रही है तो हमने कुछ नहीं खाया, हमने बस रात को एक मील ले लिया, तो पूरा दिन आपकी बॉडी स्टारवेशन फेज में होती हुई आई है, उसके बाद आपने एक लार्ज 1200 कैलोरीज का मील ले लिया, योर बॉडी डिड नॉट गेट अ चांस टू डाइजेस्ट एंड यू वेंट टू स्लीप।
ओके,
तो क्या हुआ कि आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑलरेडी स्लो हो चुका है
ठीक
एंड
है।
यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू सी इफेक्टिव वेट लॉस। एक तो होता है वेट लॉस है, एक होता है इफेक्टिव वेट लॉस।
ठीक है।
इफेक्टिव वेट लॉस उस वक्त है जब अपनी बॉडी को नरिशमेंट प्रोवाइड भी करें और लूज भी करें फैट। So that's what needs to be monitored, and that's where the doctors come in. Doctors who are expert, who know what they're doing, and who know how to treat the patients.
Yeah, absolutely. Is there any food that you should not be having when you are taking these weight loss medicine?
Massive or large amount of simplified carbs, sugar,
Sugars.
cookies,
हाँ,
rice, bread. You know, just
अच्छा,
हमारा तो staple food है ना, rice and bread. Alternatives ढूंढे ना आप।
okay.
आपसे कोई नहीं कह रहा कि आप रोटी खाना बंद कर दें। You can make the roti smaller. You can have a smaller piece of bread. You can have a 45 calorie bread instead of a 130 calorie bread. तो जो बहुत simplified carbs हैं, alcohol, which is a big no-no, especially with these medications, because these medications can affect your pancreas. Alcohol affect pancreas. तो मैं always patients से कहती हूँ, and I educate them, and of course, it's a part of the education. Hydrate, number one. Number two, try to avoid alcohol as much as you can. For the patients who drink alcohol, not everybody does alcohol. So, or simplified carbs, because they actually, the thing is this, they make your stomach work harder and
Okay.
faster, and these medications are
Slowing it
slowing.
down.
तो क्या होता है आपका बिल्कुल न्यूट्रलाइज कर देगा, and then you will have
Oh.
side effects. You will have nausea, vomiting, and
Okay.
diarrhea.
Okay.
Yeah. So
What are the short-term and long-term effects of being on these medications? I understand that Ozempic has been around, let's say, for 5 years, right?
probably.
So, अभी इतना ज़्यादा अरसे तक it has not been studied. So, what can you as a physician say about that?
तो जो लॉन्ग टर्म स्टडीज एफडीए ने की हैं और जो स्टडीज हुई हैं, फॉर देम दे आर नॉट सीइंग any long-term side effects that will make you stop using these medications.
ठीक है?
Long-term side effects are still probably coming. Short-term side effects जो होते हैं, like for example, not everybody is a candidate for the injections as well.
Okay.
I always
Should
want
not get
so
that.
the patients who have family history of a medullary thyroid cancer, एक बहुत ही
Okay.
rare type का thyroid cancer है.
ठीक है?
Medullary thyroid cancer in the families, if it runs in the family, if they have pancreatitis, or if they have history of pancreatitis for whatever reason, or pancreatic cancer that runs in the family. इसके अलावा Men's syndrome, it's like a rare type of a condition, is called multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome. इसमें बहुत सारे hormonal derived cancers होते हैं जो spread all over the body. अगर आपके family history है तो then you have to be either not a good candidate. अगर medullary है तो you have to be very very careful, not do it, or you have to be very careful, or just don't use the medication. So doctors have to interview the patient before they start anybody on that.
Okay. So short term, you said what you've seen even 30 pounds a month.
Patients
weight
would come
loss.
with the weight loss, and they just short term goals जो हैं वो तो यही हैं कि आपकी diabetes, short term goals ये हैं कि you feel happy about it, right? And you feel comfortable in your clothes and you get to your goal weight.
ठीक है?
Long term goals ये हैं कि you maintain your weight and you prevent diabetes, or you treat diabetes so that it is under control. So हम उसको monitor करते हैं, हम उसको blood test से cholesterol आपका control हो, और आपका जो है joint pain है, arthritis है, fatty liver, very very common among desis. Fatty liver is one of the most common condition I see among patients from Southeast Asia. Plus long term goal effect ये है कि ना cardiovascular disease prevention. आपका जब body में इतना burden कम होगा, fat कम होगा, तो आपका जो cardiovascular disease है, outcomes are very good, because आपके heart attacks कम होंगे patients के अंदर, diabetes कम होगी, stroke के chances कम हो जाएंगे. It will decrease the comorbid conditions. So it's like a healthy living.
Right.
So right. and और क्या उसके long term psychologically you feel so happy, you feel so
Can
good when
fit
you lose
into
weight.
those
You
pairs of
fit on those
jeans.
pair of jeans.
Yeah.
So like, okay, you know what, I'm fitting into smaller
Right.
clothes. तो क्या होता है जब आप psychologically, if you are happy,
Mhm.
your family is happy,
Okay.
everybody around you is happy.
So once you're on these medications, do you have to stay on these medications for life? क्या होता है if you stop taking these medications?
So I normally, this is something so new, but मेरा जो गोल होता है वो ये होता है कि पेशेंट को आई ट्रीट व्हेन दे गेट टू देयर गोल वेट, उनको मैं एवरी वीक के बजाय मैं उनको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वीन ऑफ करते हैं हम उनको.
Okay.
And I tell them, if you gain more than 5 pounds, you come back and get back on track. Don't let yourself gain more than 5 pounds. If you gain more than 5 pounds, it means you need help. तो आप उसको फिर वीन करने के बजाय उसको वीकली पे डाल दें और
Okay.
फिर आप उसको जो है उनको आप दोबारा you get them back on track.
So does the weight start coming on?
It can if you go cold turkey. अगर आपने weight gain कर लिया, you are on the highest dose, और आपने decide किया I'm at my goal, I'm not gonna do it anymore, you will gain weight because
Okay.
हफ्ते के बाद 10 दिन के बाद आपकी appetite वापस आना शुरू हो जाएगी if you have not changed your lifestyle. लेकिन अगर
अच्छा.
आपने like when you get to your goal, I tell patients to, this is your resting metabolic rate. आपकी body इस weight पे इतना calories burn कर रही है. You need to stay around that caloric intake and try to burn it off by walking, jogging, exercise, sleep 7 to 8 hours. अगर आप sleep नहीं कर रहे हैं, forget about the weight loss. It's not
Why
gonna
is
happen.
sleep so
It's so
important for weight
It's
loss?
so important.
Okay.
I mean, it has a lot of data behind it, a lot of evidence behind it. लेकिन अगर you have sleep apnea, for example, if you're snoring at night and you're stopping to breathe in the middle of the night, आप सोते में आपकी सांस बंद हो जाती है, जिसको हम sleep apnea कहते हैं, आप snore कर रहे हैं, आपकी restful sleep नहीं है, आप turning and tossing है, उसके अलावा आप कम sleep कर रहे हैं, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is essential for every single organ in your body to work function better. जब हर organ के लिए sleep important है, then weight is obviously is one of the part of your body system. So it is extremely important. As our patients, now they are saying that sleep is actually a lot more important than exercise.
Look at
The
that.
new evidence is saying that, and it
Okay.
is so real. कि अगर आपकी 7 to 8 hours की restful sleep है, your weight loss is going to be very effective.
अच्छा.
I see patients जिनको weight loss नहीं हो रहा, and they're like, okay, I'm stuck, I don't know what's going on. And I'm like, okay, let's do a sleep study. I want to make sure you do not have sleep apnea because of course आप overweight हैं, आप snore भी करते हैं, you are tired during the day. So let's look at the sleep, and when we check them, 90% of those patients have sleep apnea.
Okay.
उसको भी fix करने से they start getting back on track because आपकी body जो होती है, it recuperates at night.
Need that time.
Regenerates at night,
ठीक है.
itself at night. So
I
वो बहुत
see.
ज़रूरी है for effective metabolism.
I see. I see. You mentioned a little briefly about availability of these medicines and how important it is to go to a physician who knows, who constantly monitors you, and of course, go to a reputable pharmacy जहाँ पे you know you're getting 100% the authentic product. Is this medicine covered by insurance or is it out of pocket?
जब हमने नई नई ये दवाएं शुरू करी थी तो दिस medications were not covered by the insurance beginning, और हर साल क्योंकि insurances change होती हैं, formulary changes आती हैं, तो in the beginning of the year we were having so much resistance from the insurances to cover it, but as the days going by हम देख रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा insurances इसको cover करेंगे. जब कोई भी दवा नई आती है तो उसकी coverages and it's a brand name.
Okay.
तो insurances cover it. 30%, 40% insurances are covering it. उसके लिए prior authorization करना पड़ती है. It takes a longer process. The staff has to be on board. Insurance से हमें approval लेना पड़ता है before the patient can get the medication. It takes weeks sometimes.
Okay.
But yes, they are covered. मैं हमेशा patients का पहले insurance से भेजती हूँ. And if they covered it, fine. If they're not covered, then we know we have option for generic. लेकिन I use one of my trusted pharmacy I've been using forever, and I know that their compounding is excellent. It's as good as brand name.
Okay.
तो वो है, बाकी generic available है, लेकिन आप किसी pharmacy से जाके ऐसी generic दवा नहीं ले सकते. एक doctor had to prescribe it. तो उसके लिए आपको एक अच्छा doctor ढूंढिए जो कि monitoring कर रहा है, and you're comfortable with them and they have good reviews. from the weight loss patients that they are treating,
Mhm.
and yes, you can go to any doctor and anybody can prescribe it, but the doctor has to be comfortable. It's a message for the doctors too. I see doctors using right and left compounding pharmacies. Please don't do that. Please do your research and please find out that the compounding pharmacy you're using is reputable
Yeah.
and is making a good product.
Mhm. And if insurance doesn't cover it, what's the out-of-pocket cost?
Well, it depends. Again, it's anywhere from, it has 5-6 phases.
Mhm.
So as you go up higher on the dosage, the price थोड़ी सी बढ़ती है. It is anywhere from 350 to 650 a month. Otherwise, brand name is almost $1,200.
Wow. And this
$1,000 to
is
$1,200.
this is an injectable. Where do you inject it? And can the patient do it themselves, or do they have
Absolutely.
to come to the doctor's
No,
office?
absolutely. The brand name medications जो आई हैं वो बहुत इन्होंने convenient उसको बनाया है. Auto injectors हैं, पेन के तौर पर हैं. You don't even see the needle. Especially अगर किसी को needle से phobia है, then you just need to look at the pen, put the pen on the area that you want to inject. आप stomach में subcutaneous क्योंकि ये injections हैं, it does not have to go all the way into the muscle. So इनकी बहुत small छोटी सी बारीक सी needle होती है. And auto injectors को तो आप बहुत आसान होता है, आप अपनी body के ऊपर रख के बस बटन दबाइए और वो injection हो जाते हैं. लेकिन अगर यू गो फॉर द जेनेरिक तो आपको ड्रॉ करना पड़ती है दवा, और आपको नर्स अगर प्रॉपरली आपको जो है ना एजुकेट कर दे कि किस तरह से अपने आप को इंजेक्ट करना है, देन पेशेंट्स कैन डू इट देमसेल्व्स. हु डू नॉट वांट टू डू इट देमसेल्व्स, बहुत सारे लोगों को नीडल फोबिया होता है, बहुत सारे लोग दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू,
Right.
so they come to my office and they get weekly shots.
Okay.
But we always encourage patients to do it themselves at home.
Have you seen anybody having an allergic reaction?
एलर्जिक रिएक्शन एज सच मैंने शायद एक आध पेशेंट्स में देखा है. तो लोकल जो होता है जहाँ पे भी आप इंजेक्ट करते हैं वहाँ पर आपको लोकलाइज थोड़ी सी रेडनेस, थोड़ी सी इचिंग, थोड़ा सा जो है वो एलर्जिक रिएक्शन हो सकता है लोगों को, बट इट इज़ फेयरली hypoallergenic. I have not seen a lot of allergic reaction with this medication, either semaglutide or tirzepatide.
Okay. And any medications that a patient may be on which can interact with these?
Yes, we have. That's why we have to look at the patient. उसको सारी हम दवाओं का जब हम पूरा एनालिसिस करते हैं, then we see के what medications you can take, what you cannot take. उसके अलावा जब आप पेशेंट्स वेट लूज करना शुरू करते हैं, उनकी ब्लड शुगर्स बेहतर होने शुरू आती हैं, उनका ब्लड प्रेशर बेहतर होना शुरू आता है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल बेहतर होना शुरू आता है. So I periodically उनको मॉनिटर करना पड़ता है, and we cut back on their medication. So that's the best part. You start giving them less and less medication and patients are happy.
Wow. This is a game changer for weight loss.
Yeah.
Right?
It is.
What kind of results are you seeing?
Amazing. Amazing. It's life changing. I literally have stories and stories and stories to tell. हम इतना ज़्यादा advertise नहीं करते because clinical के साथ, patients के साथ, I am very busy with the patients. I focus on clinical care and patient care. So advertising is definitely something a part of the game, but I am seeing stories where patient has lost 80 pounds or 110 pounds or 120 pounds, and they could not, I have patient who was having severe neck pain.
Yeah.
इतना severe neck pain था कि उसकी इतनी surgeries हुई हैं, neck की surgery तो upper back की surgery. By the time she came to me, first of all I said, you know what, maybe you need, you have done everything. Neck pain सही नहीं हो रहा किसी तरह से. Chronic pain management पे है patient. I said, maybe you need the breast reduction, because breast reduction can cause take the pressure off the neck and can help with the neck pain. In the meantime, while we were working on that, I started her own weight loss. So she lost almost 60 pounds. Wow. Her neck pain is completely gone. Absolutely no neck pain. She's back in her size that she wanted to be, and she's off of all medications. तो blood pressure की medication बंद करा दी, cholesterol की दवा बंद करा दी. So that is a game changer. It's like you are making these patients more productive, happy. They're off of antidepressant because they don't feel depressed anymore. Right. So this is, I mean, I have stories to tell and you don't have enough time to listen to my stories. So you basically, you look good and you feel good. We all know how that works. Absolutely. Great. This has been wonderful information. Thank you so much for being in our studios today to talk about this, like you said, game-changing medicine for weight loss. Anything else that you'd like to add? Well, I would like to suggest our younger our youth,
Mhm.
our bachches, our younger crowd, that they need to be looking at their weight, and then try to acquire healthy habits.
Mhm.
अच्छा खाएं, healthy खाएं, जंक फूड को अवॉइड करें,
Mhm.
एंड फिजिकल एक्टिविटी को इनकॉर्पोरेट करें अपने लाइफ में, ताकि आप वहां तक ना पहुंचें जहां पर I should actually rephrase it and say that in English, for our younger individuals, and they need to be incorporating those healthy lifestyles into their everyday
Mhm.
schedule. Physical activity does not, you don't have to always go to the gym.
Yeah.
Even if you just walk or do any kind of physical activity that burn calories,
Mhm.
if that is a part of your daily routine, and eating healthy and avoiding anything that is going to be negative and will cause weight gain,
Mhm.
it's going to be you are going to be a lot much healthier than
Yeah.
your parents.
Right.
And then you don't have to worry about having these medications for weight loss and
So is this
everything.
approved for children as well?
18 and above.
Acha. 18 and above.
Yes,
Okay.
it is. But you can use it in patients who are younger than 18 who are suffering with severe conditions that are surrounding the weight loss. So we
see.
have used it,
Mhm.
and it's very promising.
Hmm.
But you have to be
Okay.
careful.
Okay, I think that's a great message, not only for our youth, but for everybody is doing those lifestyle changes. That's always a great starting point. Exercise, eat healthy, sleep is very important
Yes.
for us. And
I have another message for my girls and women out there, especially who are in the reproductive age. Iron deficiency is extremely common, very, very common among girls and women. And I see that all the time, and the doctors do not always check their iron stores. So I highly encourage all my young girls and women out there to take iron supplements, get it checked first, and take iron supplements. Vitamin D is a very important vitamin that I just cannot stop emphasizing. Vitamin D and iron. It's extremely important for you to have a good amount of vitamin D and iron in your system. So your body, your cellular function is working better. When your cellular function is working better, your organs work better. When your organs work better, you feel good.
There you go.
Yeah.
Fantastic information, Dr. Shabnam. So happy that you took some time out and came to our studios at Radio Azad. And she has her practice in Grapevine, Texas. You've been hearing her on Radio Azad over the years, and we're truly grateful.
Thank you. Thank you for listening, Aisha, and thank you for inviting me. And anytime, I would love to.
Yes, we will pull you for different topics. जिस तरह आप explain करती हैं, I think it's our listeners can really benefit from it.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much for staying tuned to Radio Azad. Make sure you download the Radio Azad iPhone or Android app to listen to our shows. Thank you. This is Aisha.